Hello, this is Kevin with QCon Pro Audio, and today we'll be going over the fader calibrations and the touch sensitivity menu. So let's jump right on in. In order to get into the touch sensitivity menu, you must hold down the record enable button on channel 8 and power on your device. You can let go of the button once the menu appears. So you see values going across the LCD screen, but the value of the number that you want to pay close attention to is the value, the number 5 in the top right hand corner. This placeholder where this number 5 is can go from any value from 0 all the way to 50. The closer that you are to 0, the more touch sensitivity you will have, and the closer that you are to 50, the less touch sensitivity you will have. Right now mine's at 5. If I want to change this to make it less sensitive, I would hit the solo button on channel 8. As you see, the number is rising, so it's getting closer to 50, so it's becoming less sensitive to touch. I like mine at 5, but I just want to give you a few examples. If you go all the way down to 0, and I'm going down by hitting the mute button on channel 8, they're very sensitive right now. The closer I get to 0, I'm not even touching the faders yet, and it's already starting to make these meters go kind of crazy. All right, but I will leave mine at 5. In order to save my settings, just power down your device. It will save automatically. Now, in order to get into the fader calibration menu, you must hold down the record enable button on channel 2 and power on your device. Okay, you can let go of the button once the menu appears. So right now, all my faders are at 155 and my master faders are at 165. The values that I want to stay in between the range is from 130 to 175. The closer I am to 130, the more sensitive my faders will respond. The closer I am to 175, the less response I get from my faders. Say I'm having some lag on one of my faders, say channel 7. All I would need to do is decrease the value. So right now it's at 155. If I'm having lag, I need to speed it up. I need to go down. So I'm gonna go down to 150. Okay. And then if I'm having lag on my master, or if I want to increase the speed of my master response, I can do so on channel 7 and channel 8 by using the select buttons on channel 7 and channel 8. So to decrease the value to make it have a more fast response, I would hit channel 7 select button to get it closer to the value of 130. But if I want a less responsive fader response, all I have to do is get it closer to 175, but for me, I like it where it is at 165. So in order to save my fader calibration, all I would need to do is press down channel 8's encoder. As you see, it will save my calibration. It will also reboot the system. All right, so that wraps it up for fader calibration and touch sensitivity menus. Thank you guys for watching, and please follow and subscribe.